Hello, everybody. Welcome back to PolicyEggs.com. Today, we are here to talk about LIC term insurance. LIC caters to the needs of the customers in every segment of the society. The reliability of the company makes it a household name. Well, let us take a look at the term insurance plans offered by LIC. Currently, there are two plans offered. Number 1, LIC Jeevan Amar Plan. Well, we have the answer to the question, who should buy this plan? LIC Jeevan Amar Plan is suitable for women looking for low premium rate, non-smokers who wish to get benefit from their low premium rates, people looking for options in death benefit, premium rate or premium payment. Plan number 2, LIC Tech Term Plan, which is suitable for people who are looking to buy a low-cost, high-sum assured insurance policy. Let us delve into the plans to understand them better. Number 1, we'll talk about LIC Jeevan Amar Plan. It is a non-linked and without profit pure protection plan. Individuals have the option to choose from the level sum assured or increasing sum assured death benefit. The plan is not available online, therefore the interested person has to visit the nearest LIC branch to invest in the same. Let us take a look at the key features. 2 different premium rates for smokers and non-smokers. The death benefit is payable in a lump sum or installment. Women can enjoy low premium rate. Additional accident benefit rider that can be availed to enhance basic coverage. Free look period of 15 days within which the policy holders can withdraw from the plan. Let us take a look at the eligibility criteria. Age at entry, minimum 18 years, maximum 65. Maximum age at maturity 80. Policy term 10 to 40 years. Premium payment option single, regular, limited. Sum assured minimum rupees 25 lakhs, maximum no limit. Let us now talk about the second term plan offered, LIC Tech Term Plan, which is a non-linked and non-participating online pure risk premium plan that offers financial protection to families of policyholders. Key features of the plan: available with 2 benefit structures, the level sum assured and increasing sum assured. Offers flexibility to take death benefit in installment. Women can choose from discounted premium rate. Option to enhance plan coverage through accidental death benefit rider. Discount and premium to non-smokers. Let us understand the eligibility criteria. Age at entry, minimum 18, maximum 65. Maximum age at maturity 80. Policy term 10 to 40 years. Premium payment option single, regular, limited. Sum assured minimum rupees 50 lakhs, maximum no limit. Let us now understand LIC term insurance riders. LIC, in its attempt to provide increased support during financial need, offers a number of term insurance riders that one can easily avail for additional coverage. LIC New Term Assurance Rider. It can be attached with a basic policy at a nominal premium to avail life cover in case of the unfortunate demise of the insured during the tenure of the policy. Rider number 2, LIC Accident Benefit Rider. Available under regular premium and limited premium payment policies, the beneficiary receives the additional sum assured plus the death benefit if the insured dies in an accident or due to one within the tenure. Rider number 3, LIC New Critical Illness Benefit Rider, which is a non-linked rider that will reduce the financial burden of the insured if they're diagnosed with any of the 15 pre-specified critical illnesses. Rider number 4, LIC Premium Waiver Benefit Rider, which helps the insured with the waiver of future premiums payable under the base plan till the expiry of the rider. Well, that was all about LIC term insurance. I hope that was helpful for all of you. Thank you so much for staying tuned with policyx.com. And आप चाहते हैं हम किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पर वीडियो बनाएं, आप हमें जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिएगा. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. And remember, you need to secure your future. You need to get insured.